Fiverr review. Another review today. Today we're looking at Valentina. Valentina, thanks for submitting your profile to the channel. For those of you watching, Valentina is an animator and illustrator, and she does children's books. So like always, I'm going to go over, review her profile, review her gigs, and give some tips for her and anyone else watching who offers illustration services on Fiverr. I hope that this video is helpful and helps you make more money on the platform.
Valentina Art. So, as always, big shout out and big kudos for having a picture of yourself. That is something that I think is super important in a digital world where we're trying to sell stuff. It helps to know that they're being sold to by another human. So the description here is illustrating your dreams. I think it's pretty straightforward. She's an illustrator. She's from Venezuela. She's been a member since December of last year. Average response time is an hour, and her last delivery was a few months ago. So we'll start with her description. Hey everyone, my name is Glenda Valentina Caledon. I'm an artist based in Venezuela. Since 2017, I've dedicated to the area of children illustration, but I've been drawing since I was a little girl, which led me to study visual arts in college. I would love to work with all of you. I hope I can be helpful to what you're looking for. Thanks, Glenda. I think that's a pretty solid description. You talk about you're an artist, you've been doing it since 2017, you took it in school, you focus on children's illustration. I think that's pretty much as good as it can get for the services you're offering. It's clear, it's to the point, I know what you do. So you speak English and Spanish is your native tongue. Cool. You list some skills here. Maybe try to find some more that you could add here. It always looks good to have a nice full chunk of skills listed here, but the ones you have listed are definitely relevant to what you can help people with. And then you list that you have a BSc, you're an artist, and you went to the Catholic Costa University in Venezuela, and you have a Photoshop certification. So overall, pretty cool. And I think the gig she wanted me to review was this one. So I'll dive into it. And just before I get into it, so I notice here that I'm assuming that this was for a Spanish children's book or a children's book in Spanish. And that's cool. But I think it's important to distinguish, like, are you targeting Spanish-speaking Fiverr buyers? Are you targeting English? Both. It might be helpful if you put maybe a sample portfolio with some English there so that, I obviously took the time to know you're an illustrator for children's books and you're from Venezuela, so there's multiple languages you work in, but that just might be helpful if, English speakers are your primary audience. So just clicking into this. So starting with the subject, I will make an awesome digital illustration for your children's book. Pretty good. So the keyword, digital illustration, children's book, I think that's pretty good. I don't know, Glenda, you would know better than me. If this gig is getting impressions and you're noticing impressions are increasing, probably means you're doing something right. So I'd be curious in the comments of this video. Let me know if this has been working for you. So looking at our portfolio, this is pretty awesome. Looks like you're very talented. Oh, that's a cool one. Oh, wow. Kind of got that like Magic School Bus vibe going on here. And then just, I guess, the before and after. Okay, so it's pretty clear that you're good at what you do. So I think that's a solid portfolio. We'll get into the description here. So hi there. Are you looking for children illustrations for your project? If so, welcome to my gig. I will bring your ideas to life with colorful children illustrations. You can choose any package you need and I will make a digital illustration for you. In order to start, you must provide me all the information for the project and we'll talk about the ideas that you have. Then I will send you a sketch for feedback and approval. At the end, I will make the delivery of the illustration in the format of JPEG or PNG. If you have any questions, you can write to me, no problem. This is my Instagram account if you want to see a bit of my artwork. Please message me first before your order. Okay, so I think this is good. The one thing, I always get a little nervous putting links or handles to other social platforms on Fiverr. Like in my head, this is just my personal thoughts. I would imagine that Fiverr wants people to stay on Fiverr and be sticky to this website. Like they don't want people clicking out and bouncing off the site, going to Instagram or anything like that. So if possible, Glenda, it's up to you. Like you can leave it here, it's your gig, but I would remove your Instagram handle and put more pieces of art in the gallery section up here. That way people are staying on your gig, because you don't want someone to click through to your Instagram and then they get into like a black hole and they're clicking around Instagram. They forget that they were on your Fiverr gig, right? You want them to stay here until they place the order. So I think that's one thing. The second thing I might put, so I obviously I haven't written a children's book myself, but if I was looking for an illustrator, I had no clue what the process of getting a children's book illustrated would be. So if you maybe wanted to put in a list somewhere in here saying I can help you from the brainstorming phase to plotting out the scenes to sketching your characters, finalizing your characters, and then drawing the finished product, like whatever your process is, I think it would be helpful to list it, just so that, you know, prospective buyers, regardless of their level of expertise or understanding of this process, would feel confident that you can guide them through it. But overall, other than those two suggestions, I think this is a pretty good gig description. You know, you have a couple different packages here, which I always recommend. Overall, I think you have a pretty solid gig here, and I hope it continues to grow. Your business on Fiverr continues to grow.
That's it. Helpful? Not helpful? Let me know in the comments. If you're an illustrator or just someone looking to sell on Fiverr, this playlist is for you. You can shoot me an email, let me know the name, your Fiverr username, and I will review your gig and profile on this channel to give you tips to help you sell better. Sounds pretty good, right? Anyways, until next time, cheers.